my gosh, boom baby. I tied it. 336. I tied it. Another one, boom baby. Oh my god, 387. Holy crap. Hello and welcome to my Thursday threes. My 336. Where I left off, I had I see these pair here, and I had the blue and red here. I see blue and red here. I see white instead of, and what I did is I did R2, and I can see these yellow and blue, and then these pair goes here. So yellow, because there's red and this one should be yellow here. So I see these and these. I had these pair, and I see orange and white, and I see orange and white. What I did is this, and I see these pair right here, and instead of doing this, because it will push out away, I also did other way was this, to have this pair, and these go here, and I see these two pair right here. This is yellow orange, to have these pair right here. I see these, and instead of doing this, because I want to get here, I did U prime R. So in that case, I had red, white, blue. So I did U prime, so I can see this, and this pair to insert here, and these last two pair was good, and insert that here, and the other one was so lucky. Let's see, and that's it.